Hi everyone, welcome to Chemistry, start of week 2. I'm Miss Hobkirk. Hopefully I was able to check in with you at the check-in on, I'm looking at the calendar, sorry, on Tuesday the 20th. I'm going to kind of go over the highlights of this week in this video. This is the first time I've taught chemistry online. I have taught chemistry before, but just not online. So, starting out, introduction page. There's a lot of vocabulary this week. Your online textbook, your ebook should help out with that. And you should have received an email from me with your login and your password. I believe, change your passwords, but not your login. The website automatically generates those when I register you, so I can't change those. Okay, next, I'm going to try to put, there isn't one of these in each section, but I'm going to try to put this page in each week, kind of a list of assignments you have to do. I'll put the video that I'm making right now in here. I also put in a suggested schedule and any reminders or tips that I can come up with. So anyway, I'll be creating this each week as we go through, and it's kind of a guess on the schedule because, like I say, I haven't taught this online, but we'll do our best. Okay, after that, this is kind of a virtual lab. You watch the video and then there's a quiz. Then you need to access your ebook, and there is some reading there to do, and I kind of want to go over that with you right now. Once you log in, you should be on a screen that looks something like this. So you need to select a chapter, and we're in chapter 1, and then it said select section 2. And then you have to hit go. It does not go automatically. And I looked through this, and you can see we're on page 6 here. If I go to section 3, you'll notice we're on page 16. So there are actually 10 pages that you have to read here. But they're fairly short. They're just long enough that it's annoying. You have to scroll down. So scroll down, read this page, move on to page 7. Read, you'll notice there are highlighted words in here for you. I believe that you can use the highlighter and highlight your own words because you have your own book. So you can do that. You can also take notes as you go through this. All good stuff. So you're going to read section 1.2. And 1.2 is going to discuss what matter is, solids, liquids, and gases. And I believe it even gets into what physical and what chemical properties are of matter. And I'll be online this week, Tuesday at 9 a.m., Wednesday at 1:30, and Thursdays at 10:30 a.m. if you want to stop in and if you have any questions. So anyway, you'll work on through this matter stuff, and then there's a virtual lab. This is actually in your online chemistry book on separating substances, so you'll work through that, and then there's a sheet to turn in that goes with that. Then you're going to go back to that ebook and read section 3, and I have to look at it to see how long section 3 is. But it's, again, several pages. You're going to read till you get to where this says something else up here. So in section 3, we're going to start talking about elements in the periodic table and how the periodic table is organized and why it's organized that way. So several pages there. In fact, it started on page 17. If I go to this page, that's 21. So it's not quite as long as section 2, but still a little bit of reading. Then you'll come down, there's this little review page for states of matter quiz, and then on the next page there is the quiz. Oh, one more thing I wanted to go over before I ended this video. I want you to print out a copy of the periodic table. That's here. There should be a link on it. On the next page, there's a link to a game, to the Elements Name game. And it goes over the first 20 elements of the periodic table. And I do want you to memorize the first 20 elements and their symbol. There will be a quiz coming up on that, so go ahead and use this game, and you could also change this and do common elements or most common elements. But I am going to ask you to memorize the first 20. So hopefully that gives you guys an orientation into week 2, what we'll call week 2, because shortened week 1 was kind of the introductory week. If you have questions, be sure you get a hold of me and let me know. I'm here to help you guys. So have a good week.